Sora 2 has absolutely exploded across social media over the past week. And after spending several days actually using it, I've come to realize something that most people are missing. Sora 2 isn't really functioning as just another video generator anymore. It's evolved into something completely different. It's become a social media platform and a video meme generator. And that's where its real power lies. Now, before you think I'm just hyping this up, let me explain what I mean. While Sora 2 might not be the absolute best video model out there when it comes to perfect physics simulation or flawless anatomy, it has one killer feature that sets it apart from everything else. You can prompt it to generate any scene with basically any fictional character you can think of, and it actually knows their appearance and even their voice. This means you can mix and match characters from completely different universes, blend multiple styles together, and create absolutely wild videos that would be impossible to produce any other way. The creativity people are unleashing with this is genuinely incredible, and that's why videos from Sora 2 are going viral left and right. Let me show you some of the top videos that have been blowing up across social media. These are the kinds of creations that are getting millions of views and really showcasing what makes Sora 2 special.
Pikachu on the grill here. It's already got a beautiful char and it smells like somebody plugged in a chicken. Let's give it a flip. I'm gonna carve it into some thick steaks. Look at that. Crust on the outside, pink and juicy in the middle. Cheers. Shockingly.
Hey, it's me, out here in the woods, and look who I ran into. This is the most beautiful creature, right? Whoa! Oh my gosh, okay, he's leaving, I'm all right. Whew!
Japan is so cool. Everything is free. Okay, I'm taking these.
Wait, Dameda, bring those back.
Whoa, gotta go.
Stop, give them back.
Nope, too late.
Hey, come back here.
Free art, baby.
Keep your hands on the wheel!
You almost wiped out 3 cars back there. Put it in park now.
I'm sorry, officer. I just...
Don't move. Latch is locked.
The creativity and humor in these generations is what's driving the viral nature of Sora 2. People aren't just using it to create technically perfect videos, they're using it to bring absurd, hilarious, and imaginative scenarios to life that could never exist otherwise. Now, here's the catch. Sora is currently only available in the United States and Canada. If you're outside these regions and want to access it right now, I'll tell you what you can do, but I need to be upfront. This requires some extra steps. First, you'll need to use a VPN to connect to a US or Canada server, which will let you access the Sora website. But that's only the first hurdle. You'll also need an invite code to actually use the platform. Here's where it gets interesting. Head over to the Sora Discord server and navigate to the invite code sharing tab. People in the community regularly share invite codes there, and if you're fast enough and lucky enough, you can grab one of these codes and get access to Sora 2. But here's where things get really exciting. While Sora 2 is making all the headlines, something equally impressive just dropped this week that almost nobody is talking about. We now have what's essentially an open source alternative to Sora 2 and Veo 3 combined. It's called Ovi, created by Character AI, and this is a genuine game changer. Here's what makes it special. It's completely open source. That means you can download it and run it locally on your own computer right now with no restrictions, no invite codes, and no regional limitations. Let me show you what Ovi can do with some examples of its generations.
The truth is that it's actually a really sad tale.
Oh, you don't know. I don't understand.
To cold like a month ago. It's cold now, okay? I could...
To help them through the grimness of daily life, da brauchst du natürlich Fantasiebilder.
What is immediately impressive is the quality and the native audio integration. The synchronization between visuals and audio is seamless, which is exactly what you'd expect from a system designed to generate both simultaneously, rather than adding audio as an afterthought. But Ovi has features that even Sora 2 doesn't offer. The most significant one is image-to-video capability. You can upload a reference image to use as your starting frame, and Ovi will animate from there. This is particularly powerful because Sora 2 actually restricts this feature when it involves realistic people. Ovi has no such limitations. And remember, this is the first open source video generator with native audio support. For closed source options, we have Sora 2, Veo 3, and One 2.5. But Ovi is the first to bring this capability to the open source world, which is absolutely huge for developers and creators who want complete control over their tools. Let me show you more examples and explain how Ovi's prompting system works, because it's actually quite clever. If you want a character to speak specific dialogue, you wrap their words with special start and end tags in your prompt. Then you can specify what the voice should sound like, and even what the background audio or ambient noise should be using audio caption tags. This level of control is remarkably sophisticated.
And I need you to trust them.
Here's an example of a podcast format generation. You specify exactly what each person says, describe their voice characteristics, and define the overall audio atmosphere. The results are surprisingly natural.
Is talent. It's all about authenticity. You got to be who you really are, especially if you're working.
One area where Ovi really shines is handling multiple speakers in a single scene. This is something that even Sora 2 and VO3 sometimes struggle with. Look at this example where a woman speaks first, then a man smirks and responds. The transitions are smooth and the timing feels natural.
You always give me extra foam.
That's how I bribe loyal customers.
The language support is impressive too. Ovi handles different languages and expressions with ease. Here's an example in a non-English language.
No puedo olvidar aquella noche. La recuerdo todo.
And here's one in Korean.
제가 과거에 과장님께 뭔가
The pronunciation and intonation feel authentic rather than obviously synthetic. Ovi can even handle singing, which opens up entirely new creative possibilities.
Come with you. I just love.
The vocal quality and musical timing are genuinely impressive for an AI-generated system. Now here's the best part. This isn't vaporware or a distant future promise. If you scroll to the top of Ovi's announcement page, you'll see it's already available. Click through to the GitHub repository and scroll down to find complete instructions on how to download and run this locally on your own computer. The minimum GPU requirement is listed as 32 GB of VRAM, which is honestly quite reasonable for the full model. And here's what always happens with open source releases. The community immediately starts working on optimizations. I'm absolutely certain that quantized and compressed versions will appear very soon, bringing the VRAM requirements down even further so it can run on more accessible hardware. This is the beauty of open source. While Sora 2 is locked behind regional restrictions and invite codes, Ovi is available to everyone, everywhere, right now. You can modify it, improve it, integrate it into your own projects, or just use it exactly as released. For casual creators who want to make viral meme videos with their favorite characters, Sora 2 is probably the easier choice if you can get access. For developers, researchers, businesses, or anyone who needs complete control over their video generation pipeline, Ovi represents something much more powerful, ownership and unlimited potential. If you want to stay on the cutting edge of AI video generation and be the first to know about new tools and breakthroughs like these, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. All the links you need are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue exploring the most exciting developments in AI technology.